In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install NetBeans IDE 12, that is the current version on macOS. So for NetBeans, the prerequisite is to download and install Java on macOS. So right now the current version of Java is Java 15. So let us first see how to download and install Java 15 on Mac, and we will also verify the installation. After that, we will install NetBeans IDE. So let us start with installing Java 15 on Mac. So at first, let us see whether Java is installed on this system, this Mac OS or not. For that, go to terminal. Here is the terminal. If you can't find a terminal, you can search it here under Spotlight search. I'll click on here. Now we have opened it. To check, type the following command and press enter. Now you can see no Java runtime present, so we need to install. It is requesting install. So guys, I'll just minimize this. Now let us install Java JDK 15 on Mac. For that, go to the browser. Herein on Google, type Oracle Java. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Oracle.com/Java. Let's click on it. On clicking, you can see the official website is visible. Download Java, click on it. Now you can see Java SE 15 is the current version. We need to install the JDK, click on it. Now let's go below for the versions. Here different versions are visible for Java SE 15. The current version is 15.0.1. So Linux, Mac, as well as for Windows. We want it for Mac, so we will go for the Mac installer. So I hope you know for Mac the format is DMG. So let us click on it to download. Click on I reviewed and accept and click on download to download it. Now the downloading started. You can see 176 MB. It is downloading. You need to wait for a few minutes. So guys, we have downloaded it. Now let us right click. So guys, here it is. It went to the downloads folder. Now let us double click to install. Minimize this. Now you can see the package is visible. Double click. Now the installer started. Welcome to the installer. Click on continue. The steps are visible here. Standard installation on Mac. It will take 321 MB. Click on it to install. Enter the password for Mac. Click on install software. The installation succeeded, so there is no need to add environment variables because it automatically adds it. Okay, so there is no error. I'll click on close. You want to keep the installer? Yes, let's keep it. Now everything is fine. Now let's go to terminal again and type the same command. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see we have successfully installed Java 15.0.1 on Mac. The same is visible, the build is visible when it came, the version is visible. Type Java here. Press enter. You can see we have successfully installed it. Let's type Java C and press enter. You can see we have installed Java as well as Java C is also visible here. So guys, we saw how we can easily install Java 15 on Mac. Now we will install NetBeans IDE. For that, go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. Here in type Apache NetBeans because NetBeans belong to Apache. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Now you can see guys, 12.2 is the current version. Click on download. Herein releases are visible. So 12.2 feature update is visible, but always remember, go for the LTS version, that is a long-term support version. It's a good habit. So I'll click on Apache NetBeans 12 LTS version, that is, click on download. The download section is visible. We will also add this link in the description, guys. So herein installers are visible for Windows, Linux and Macs. Because NetBeans is cross-platform, so we are provided with all these options. So guys, we are on Mac, so I'll click on the DMG file to download it. That is the Mac file. Click on it to download. Now guys, different mirrors are visible to download. Click on any one. I'll click on the first one. Let's click on it to download. Now guys, the download started. 357 MB. It will take some seconds to install based on an internet connection. So guys, now you can see we have downloaded the NetBeans file installer. Now click on the arrow, or you can right click also. Right click, open. Let's minimize this. Now guys, the PKG file is visible. That means all the installer files are compressed in it. I'll double click to install, double click. Now click on continue here. Now the installer started. Let us install Apache NetBeans IDE 12.0. Click on continue. Here in agreement is visible. Let's click on continue. Now you can see the installation type is visible. Custom installation is visible here. Let's click on standard install and let's see what is visible. Under standard install, you can see you can change the installation location also, but I'll keep the same. It will take 723 MB on our Macintosh hard disk. Let's click on install. It is asking for password of macOS. Of my Mac system, I'll enter the password. Click on install software. Now installation started. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, the installation is successful. Click on close. Let's close this as well. Now guys, click on the launchpad and herein NetBeans should be visible. Let's search NetBeans. Here it is. Double click to open. On clicking, you can see the following is also visible here. I'll right click and under options I'll select keep in dock. Now it will get sticked here. Here it is. NetBeans 12 is visible on Mac. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install NetBeans IDE. Before that we installed Java because it was a prerequisite. We installed Java 15 on Mac. Then we installed Apache NetBeans IDE 12.0, which is the current version. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.